Welcome back to Karen Norwood Travel. Today we're at the 50th annual Barnesville Buggy Days Festival. So let's see what fun we can get into. This festival is celebrating Barnesville's historic heritage as the buggy capital of the South during the late 1800s and early 1900s. The most buggies were made in this area. It had tons of arts and crafts and wonderful smelling food. The car show area was top notch. They had some amazing cars there and definitely a lot of people to talk and discuss and find out interesting things about the cars, which is really unique. And a kids play zone. They also had a pizza cook-off, a parade, live shows, and music all going on along the day. We also thought it would be fun while we were in the area that we stopped at Swints Candies, both locations, their original location and then the new one that they've recently built. And it had tons of different kinds of candy that smelled amazing. And then they also had a lot of merchandise and local vendors you could shop from. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel.